What having? Oh, oh dear. Guard dog Bailey. Truck pulled up out front. She didn't like that. Nope. Best watch out. We got a couple engine mounts squirted yesterwards, so take those off the ladder, eh? Take those off the ladder. Look at that. First parts painted for the Grumman build, eh? Yeah. All the grumbling. Probably give her another coat of that black poop, but it's looking pretty good so far. I want to get, you know, around that area copaceutics as an accordulation of bolting the friggin' engine mounts on and everything and this and that. I don't, you know, sometimes I like rush myself. Yeah, just had to make room so as I get the forklift outside to load this into the parts minivan, and then Lockety McSplockensteins, but found a half a pail of some old paint there, and I was able to peel the top of it off. Check that out. Like the whole top of her peeled off. 3/16 thick anyways. Let's just peeled that off. We got a half a tin of good paint. So see? Hey, we do. But yeah, I'll get my cup and brush out, and we'll poop some more shit on there. We'll load the part stick van up when the part stick van shows up. When I can see some progress, I'll start to feel a little bit better. But right now, kind of, you know, we're right at the stage where we're sending off parts for Spencer's frig stuff to happen to them. It's dicked, eh? I'm such a dummy that I bought that milling machine specific for so I could bore out Cummins cylinder heads, but I'm too stupid, so I'll just send it off and pay major dollars, and it'll be awesome. But anyways, yeah, she's gonna be a cleaning and a painting and a best be pickling. I was gonna take the springs into Larry's friggin' springs because we got a broken leaf on each side, so we'll just get those all done up lickety splips, new bushings and whatnot, whatever we need, and then new U-bolts. Bolt the son of a bitch back on, and friggin' how you doing, bud? Need to rig up one of my mini bench friggin' grinders with a friggin' Weiner brush for pollution, the different luminoids, the different luminoid factors. Yeah. Ripham's 3734. Should be good. How good of an idea it is to take that off or not. Maybe we'll just cut it open a little more. You know, then just cut that off, and we'll be able to get in there more. Maybe that's what we'll do. And what do you got in the back? Is there room for this thing?
Go in here?
Well, I got a forklift, right? Like it's like 1,000 pounds. Oh yeah, but it bust off the door.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah. Huh. I don't think it'll go in there. Way too big. I guess I'll have to try to figure out how to drop it off there or something.
Okay. Thank
Right
you.
on. Yep, thanks. Oh, that's handy. How long did that take? I've only been recording for 10 minutes, so. All right, well, it's morning time in Inwood. The friggin' the engine wouldn't fit in the minivan from the part stick, so I gotta end up bringing that to London. So I got a road trip today. Started having a little look. See, I just was like looking and saunting at my my wire wheel there. I freaking hooked up a new one. I just didn't really have a whole lot of room to, so I just put it over here, clamped her to the table. We got a little wire wheel, and then over there we got the little bit of the pollution. So I don't know. I might I might just, so you got a little bit of the corrosions on the top, like that one will be really decked, but see how there's like a little bit of the crusty fellas on the top there. But I mean, really, that was like, I think it was like 10 minutes from like that to that, and I just like wire wheeled it quick and then took it to the buffing wheel with a white stone that said white was for aluminum. That's the only one I tried. Maybe I should have tried like a heavier abrasive to get rid of some of those creases and stuff in there. But yeah, I guess today's just going to be a bit of a road trip day. I got to get this axle out of here though. It's been 3 days. I've been trying to get the hobo to do it, but apparently you can't get a ride or something, and kickaboo juice. I don't even know what he's even talking about, but he sounded pretty out of it last time I talked to him. Oh, hold on, we gotta do an interview with the hobo. He's just fucked. Oh, so what happened?
Yeah, I was at Kickaboo John's last night.
What was that?
Kickaboo juice?
No, your little tweak there, you're like...
Oh, just, you know, doing a little bit of crack and, you
Holy.
know, busting up a ball and kickaboo juice. You gotta have kickaboo juice.
Kickaboo juice.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's what you've been on for 3 days?
Yeah, pretty much. It's good stuff. That's cheap.
Well, I must say... Are you muttering again? That's the first sign of a disgruntled friggin' hobo, bud. Why are you so mad?
Got fucking bold.
You were living in a van down by the river, and now you have a life that you could look forward to every day.
This bolt is nickel and diamond.
Oh, man. I'd flip out.
It's coming out, but man, it's been such a...
Yeah, see, if you got on that 3 days ago, it'd be out by now, remember? Oh, I apologize. I apologize. Good lord. Good friggin' lord. But yeah, I've got the, you know, just monkeying around here. You can only get so many monkeys under there. I cut the one airbag off, but he's in the way of the other one, and I was, you know, trying to give him my hand there, but he's under there muttering and swearing and carrying on. I can't even deal with that bullshit. But anyways, boys, still haven't got, you know, I got to make the trip to London, right? So I want to get that springs out of there and make a trip all at once, but I'm not sure if it's going to happen or not. Might have to leave the springs for another day. Yeah, see, he's over there muttering like crazy. I gotta go. Well, we'll spray some more shit in there. You know, give her a spray because there's some black chunks. We'll like, I don't know. You can even just dump more of that in there and friggin' do her again. You know what I mean? So you can get right into every little pacoot. Like there's all these divoots, right? So on the bottom side, they catch all, you know what I mean? You just get in each one. Frig yeah, that thing's awesome. I recommend that. But it works if you put the end in the liquid. That's how it works. But oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. What happened? You want me to take that off you right now? You quit?
Oh yeah, she
Look at
wants
the
that.
state of you. Look at the state of the trees.
Settle down, Mom.
What happened? What happened?
Oh, baby, Teddy, happy Teddy.
Poor baby Katie. Good lord. Yeah, you think I can find a 2B6? Yeah, I just need a hunk of 2B6. That's it. I'm gonna have to just cut the end off of this one because it's in my way anyway. Swoop jalapeno. Steering's a little loose in her, so apparently you gotta change the U-joints into it. How you making out there, Jebediah? How you making out, Gerald? You are just muttering terrible. Holy. Never in my life. Just snozzing all in my frame, a relentless zero Bacardi. Awesome. Just awesome. You know what I mean? I don't know, I think they should go in a lot easier than that, to be honest with you. That is definitely too big. Ay, ay, ay. Yes, 100% too big. Well, the diesel tank's ready to go back in. Hey, we converted it to diesel. You know how I did that? Oh. Took the gas out of it. Oh, I apologize.
Oh, wow.
I apologize.
What are you going to do? Put a diesel pump in her and that's the end of it?
No diesel pump. Engine's got a pump on it.
Alright.
She's done. Just hook her up. Just know what, the one that says made in tuna. The one that says made in tuna is the one that's got the pump onto it, and then that's the return, and then that's the vent. And then that's just the plug for the air skull. And how you doing? Oh, let me get the shot. Oh yeah, look at that. Holy, what's really going on, dude? Hey, holy. Next thing you know, I'll be showing us paint on there. How are we making out with this, anyways? How are we doing? Because like I'm looking and I'm still seeing springs in there. So that's the kind of thing that I'm sort of wondering about, though. Oh, I apologize. I apologize.
Man, bleeding or something.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Yeah.
What do you put your head so far up there for?
Fuck, that's
You got brain damage?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I can't stop laughing.
Oh. Oh, that was great. All of a sudden, buddy's just wailing. I thought he was f***ing down the Donaker quick there for a second, and he's like, oh, this coat hanger's getting me in the side of the head and stuff. Oh, it was great. I wish I was recording. Wish I was recording. That'd be awesome. That'd be awesome for my movie. You gotta do that again and then do the same reaction.
Let's just do that a few more times.
Did it leave any marks?
I don't know. Maybe it's right here. There's something fucking.
Oh,
I feel something
no.
went right in my fucking head. So.
Holy shit, dude. See you in a bit. Oh, mother lord. Haven't been out of the house in a minute. Went outside the other day to sell too much or get ripped off by too muchy. But other than that, I quit outside. Winter's no good. Totally no good. No high idle, what happened? Anyways, got to drop off the engine, got to pick up some nuts and bolts and fasteners. I got to drop off the pin and governor spring, fuel pin and governor spring to the diesel dicks, and pick up a fuel cap for the tractor, a couple things.
No, that's interrupting you.
Yeah, you're good. I'm building a 1987 Grumman step van or whatever. So it's a, you know, big aluminum body bread truck sort of thing.
Yeah, you're
So,
gonna put this in her?
yeah.
Nice.
It was supposed to be a running, working engine when I got it, but they left, I don't know, water in the chutes and just got dicked, right? Whatever. Yeah. Okay, we got the engine dropped off, finally. Holy suffering. I gotta see if I can't get a locksmith. I wasn't able to pick this one. It's one of those wafer locks, and I just don't have the proper tensioning tool. Tried to make one, but this nozzle blades just break and friggin' I just quit, right? But anyways, just gotta go to the locksmiths and a couple more quick stops and then back to Inwood. Get back working on the van. It's just stressing me out terrible, that engine. Holy suffer. Oh no, buddy's got his sign upside down. Any help will help. Bless you. That's all I got, bud. No worries. Have a good day. Oh, I just seen two dudes making love. I just saw it. Those two dudes right there. It's ancient technologies.
Yeah. Yeah, as soon as it's done, we'll give you a call.
Right on. Perfect, thank you. Oh, hold on, I gotta get the shot of this momentous occasion, bud. What happened?
You and me both.
What happened?
I don't know, they got a grade 1 million bolt in there.
Grade 1 million?
Yeah, you need Jesus to come down and actually cut that.
Baby Jesus?
And,
Did you get into the frame? Do we get to crush your van with the loader?
no, I didn't get the frame.
Let me check.
unfortunately.
Let me check.
I can't see shit, but whatever.
Yeah, I can saw shiny spots onto it.
Where? Yes.
Right where the saw blade got into it, terrible.
Right there. That's
Yeah.
perfectly smooth. It sanded it for me.
Oh, I apologize. I thought that was saw marks. Told me if he cuts the frame, I get to crush his van. So I told him, now I want you to cut the frame. You fool! Fool! Oh no. Oh no, there's still one on this side, buddy.
Yeah, there's that one, but the other side's cut.
Oh, I apologize.
I'm gonna do
Oh dear. Grinder? You love that app.
I cut the bottom and then.
You love that app, buddy.
Oh, I can't believe this. This is unreal.
What happened?
What is that made of? Like, honestly, it was sitting there with a little tiny sliver like this. Easy half an hour cutting it every type of
Half an
every
hour?
kind
It's
of-
been like 17 days.
I got different kinds of blades.